So hi, this is Dr. Venu. I'm currently working for University of Papua New Guinea as advisor in information and communication technology. So I've been associated with Serosoft since last 15 years, working for two different employers, and been heavy user of their product Academia by Serosoft for the last 15 years, and been a very happy customer so far. Then I had an opportunity to meet with this team here, the development and the implementation team here on my holiday, and then I was very fascinated to meet all of them, and then would like to emphasize on their setup and their teams working so hard to build the product and enhance the product. So they've been continuously upgrading their product with different new modules and analytics, using new age technologies like AI and things like enhancements in the latest technologies. I met with the development teams and implementation teams over here. They're all very knowledgeable, and they're all focused towards product enhancement and continuous support to their clientele. They have grown multifolded all these years. I know them in this last 15 years when I started off with them way back in 2010, 2012. They were a very little company, startup with maybe 10 or 20 clients, and now they've been very large with more than nearly 400 clients, and majority of them are happy clients like me, I suppose. And I would definitely encourage Serosoft, the Academia product by Serosoft, to any client or friend or family whom I know, and then I'm happy with the product. Thanks.